नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Rasta Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is aphorism number 1 and 2. Aphorism number 1. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure, as it is termed. This aphorism looks quite simple, but actually it has very deep meanings and it must be properly understood by all homeopaths. We must understand following terms used in this aphorism to fully understand what is really meant by Hahnemann. The physician is a person who has thorough knowledge of art of healing, derived from Greek word physis, means nature. So, physician is a person who knows the laws and principles of nature and knows how to apply them in his practice. In his original German version of Organon, Dr. Hahnemann has used the word Beruf. Many translators have translated this word into many different meanings, but in 5th edition, R.E. doesn't call it as mission. High and only mission. Hahnemann did not use the word like duty, responsibility, work, or task here. Instead, the word high and only mission is used. It means that a homeopathic physician must take every case is like a mission that must be achieved fully. In order to achieve that high mission, one must put all one's efforts and capabilities to achieve the goal. Sick. One of the main concepts every physician must know is that in homeopathy we do not cure diseases. Instead, we cure patient or person who is sick. Because in homeopathy, sick as a whole from head to toe माना जाता है. In homeopathy, it is believed that it is the patient as a whole who is sick. We should not only take symptoms of the parts of the body that are affected by some disease. Rather, we should take all symptoms of the patient from head to toe, including mental symptoms, to find the correct remedy for the patient. If a person is affected by TB, a good homeopath will not only note the symptoms of TB, cough, mucus, blood, fever, sweating in night, etc., but also general symptoms of the patient. For example, feelings of patient, restlessness, anxiety, fear, sadness, revenge, etc., effects of cold, hot weather, likes, dislikes, eating habits, sleeping habits, and so on. After taking after taking full case, all important symptoms of the patient, not disease only, are noted, and then a single most similar homeopathic remedy is selected to cure the patient. Health and cure. In homeopathy, a patient is said to be cured when all of his mental and physical problems are solved and returned to the point where no disturbance is present. Patient is fully healed when his vital force is fully healed. According to Dr. Stuart Close, health is that balanced condition of the living organism in which the integral harmonious performance of the vital functions tends to the prevention of the organism and the normal development of the individual. Disease is an abnormal vital process, a changed condition of life which is inimical to the true development of the individual and tends to organic dissolution. In homeopathy, health is considered as mental, physical, and emotional well-being. The disease is the dynamic disturbance of harmonious relation between the material body and vital force that stimulates the body in health. According to homeopathy concept, it is the vital force that is affected first of all. If not treated, then vital force expresses the issue in the form of diseases and symptoms in different parts of the body, including thoughts and feelings. Once a patient is fully cured, it means that all the symptoms that were the indication of the weakness of the vital force have been disappeared completely. This cure must be permanent also, should not return back after few days or months. Footnote on aphorism number 1. Aphorism number 1 के footnote में क्या दिया? Hahnemann also added that a physician should not propagate false hypotheses or theories about health, disease and cure. This will only move the physician patients away from the perfect cure. It should be understood that laws never change. If Earth is revolving around the sun, then it will keep doing the same till end of universe. It is not possible that after 100 or 1000 years the sun would start rotating around the earth. In the same way, the laws of cure will remain the same because these are the laws of nature. The basic law of homeopathy is similar, cure similar, and this cannot be changed as it is a law of nature. A good homeopath must stick to basic laws and should not coin new hypotheses or theories to avoid confusions. Now, we will discuss aphorism number 2. The highest ideal of cure is rapid, gentle, and permanent restoration of the health or removal and annihilation of the disease in its whole extent in the shortest, most level, and most harmless way on easily comprehensible principles. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann describes the meaning of cure. It is not temporary removal but permanent. Health, highest. हाईएस्ट का मतलब है सुप्रीम, बेस्ट, प्रिंसिपल, अल्टीमेट. आइडियल मीन्स परफेक्ट, एम, standard or model of perfection or excellence. Cure, restoration of health, recovery from disease. Rapid means moving, acting or occurring with great speed. Speed of recovery greater than speed of disease progress in minimum possible time. ऑलरेडी पेशेंट इज सफरिंग, अगर हम उसका जो रिकवरी और जो क्योर है वो हम रैपिड करेंगे तो वो बहुत बेनिफिशियल होता है हमारे पेशेंट के लिए. जेंटल, जो हमारा वे ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट है वो जेंटल होना चाहिए, हार्श नहीं होना चाहिए, सीवियर नहीं होना चाहिए, माइल्ड एंड सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए, पेनलेस होना चाहिए, हार्मलेस होना चाहिए, विदाउट साइड इफेक्ट्स. ऑलरेडी पेशेंट की इतनी ज्यादा सफरिंग है, आप उसको वे ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट से और उसको हार्श करेंगे और प्रॉब्लम देंगे तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लमेटिक होगा. परमानेंट, इरिवर्सिबल, साइन एंड सिम्टम्स विल नॉट कम बैक. और जो होम्योपैथिक क्योर है वो हमारा परमानेंट होना चाहिए, ये नहीं कि कुछ दिनों के बाद उसके जो सिम्टम्स हैं, साइंस है, वो वापस आने लगे. रिस्टोरेशन, bring back to normalcy, re-establish, bring back to an original condition of harmonious flow of vital force, bring back to state of health. restoration का मतलब होता है वो कंडीशन जहां पर पेशेंट बीमार होने से उसकी जो बॉडी की कंडीशन थी वहां उसको बैक टू वहां तक ले जाना इज नोन एज रिस्टोरेशन. तो होम्योपैथी में सिर्फ साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स ही नहीं हटाए जाते हैं बल्कि हमारी जो बैक टू हेल्थ से पहले हमारी जो स्टेट थी वहां तक हम ले जाते हैं उस पेशेंट को, तभी वो हमारा एक आइडियल क्योर कहलाता है. हेल्थ, द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बॉडीली एंड मेंटली वाइगेरियस एंड फ्री फ्रॉम डिसीज, फ्री फ्रॉम साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स, हार्मोनियस फ्लो ऑफ वाइटल फोर्स इन बॉडी. Removal, the taking away of something unwanted sign and symptoms. Annihilation, total destruction of sign and symptoms, total destruction of homeopathic disease from the body. Disease, a pathological condition of a part, organ or system of an organism resulting from various causes such as infection, genetic defect or environmental stress, and characterized by an identifiable group of signs and symptoms. Disease means dis-ease, deviation from the state of comfort, disturbance in the harmonious flow of body's internal dynamic vital force, which will reflect in form of perceptible or visible signs and symptoms. Whole extents, completely no traces left of disease, no side effects, no complications, no after effects from whole body, not only outside but inside also. होल एक्सटेंट से मतलब ये है कि ऊपर के जो कुछ हमारे साइन एंड सिम्टम्स उनको हटा देने से हमारा क्योर हो जाता है, नहीं, जो हमारा वाइटल फोर्स है वो भी हेल्दी हो जाना चाहिए, अंदर तक पेशेंट बिल्कुल हेल्दी होना चाहिए, तभी वो होम्योपैथिक क्योर कहलाता है. शॉर्टेस्ट मिनिमम टाइम सो दैट इट विल नॉट अफेक्ट quality of life of individual. Most level, people can have faith on based on universal laws of nature, independable, most harmless way, not causing any physical or mental damage or injury, no side effects, on easily comprehensible principles based on universal laws of nature. जो कि हमारे होम्योपैथी के जो भी लॉज हैं वो यूनिवर्सल लॉज ऑफ नेचर पे डिपेंड होते हैं. According to Dr. Hahnemann, the best perfect treatment is when it is less time consuming, painless, irreversible change, His signs and symptoms will never reappear in future. Internally dynamic vital force is in harmonious flow without any deviation. Not only external visible sign and symptoms are gone, but internally body is in state of perfect harmony. No discomfort, either external or internal. Both internal and external, that is whole body fully has recovered, no side effects by giving remedy which is proven based on universal principles without any pain, without any side effects. Homeopathy does not suppress the symptoms and give temporary relief, but it is completely treats the patient without any side effects in a painless way through medicines which are based on universal laws on nature in minimum time as possible. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.